And good evening. I hope everyone is having a fantastic Saturday night despite all the rain and thunderstorms, especially if you're in north and west Victoria. Right now, we're seeing the cold front now moving to the crossroads now. We're seeing the bulk of the action southwest of Cuero down towards Goliad, down towards northern parts of Bee County, where there is a severe thunderstorm warning, which expires for northern Bee County at 10:30. As this line slowly progresses to the south and towards the east over the next couple of hours, I'm expecting that line to be across the Victoria area around 11 to 11:30 and be down towards the coastline about midnight until 1 a.m. Off towards the north and towards the eastern is red. You see here from about El Campo up towards Houston, up towards the Arklatex. That is a moderate risk for seeing severe thunderstorms, and then the risk becomes an enhanced risk throughout most of the central parts of the crossroads, then drop off to slight and to marginal risk towards the south and towards the west Victoria. So what does all that mean? All modes of severe weather are at play tomorrow, which means that we could see damaging winds with storms, large hail, even the possibility of seeing a tornado or two. And the greatest risk for seeing severe thunderstorms would be from Victoria off towards the north and towards the east, where the moderate risk is located right now. And we'll see a decreased chance of seeing severe thunderstorms towards the south and towards the west across our southwestern counties of Goliad, being down towards Refugio, down towards Corpus. We have a warm front and an area of low pressure down towards the south. This will begin to track off towards the north and towards the east. You can see some big thunderstorms now firing up off towards the west across San Angelo and across West Texas. That'll begin to move into our area by the morning hours of the day on Sunday, afternoon and evening. And once this cold front passes us, things looking much better by your Monday and your Tuesday.
Due to some of this weather.
Yeah, so what's going on is we have a stationary front that's across North Texas, and that's separating the cold air across Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri. You have a lot of warm air down towards the south. But in the upper levels, that warm air is going up top of that cold air, and as a result, have a large warm layer, which is melting the ice from the upper layers down to the bottom. But there's still a small layer of below freezing at the surface, which is turning that rain to freezing rain on contact, and that's why we're having ice problems. Let's talk about the past for a second. Just yesterday, around 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we saw a scene like this. This is a nice shelf cloud. This was on the leading edge of a squall line that moved across the area, gave us lots of heavy rain. After that cold front moves through, it gave us a pretty sight like this, wall-to-wall sunshine today. It was very beautiful, and you can see temperatures are starting to come down quite a bit. Fortunately, this month, we saw a February average high around 80 degrees. And to make things worse, 24 of the 28 days of the month of February were above average. And we also set 4 new records on the 7th, the 8th, the 11th, and the 12th. So things around here have felt more like summer and spring instead of winter. But the good news is winter officially is still sticking around for a couple more weeks before spring gets here around March the 21st.
Let's see. Hopefully we're in for some nice weather today.
Thursday.
I can tell by the look.
Friday.
He's not going to give me that.
The weekend. Great weather.
Okay.
This morning is very warm, very muggy with temperatures into the 70s, the upper 70s, not feeling very pleasant outside, and at about 4 to 8 miles an hour. And then tomorrow, another beautiful afternoon, a high of 67 degrees, sunny and cool. But notice this, winds out of the northeast transitioning to southeast about 5 to 10 miles an hour. But here's a look at your next 7 days. Sunday, beautiful. Monday, nice and warm. Cold front Tuesday night into Wednesday. Thanksgiving looks simply glorious, and another cold front will arrive by the weekend. So as I mentioned earlier, if you love roller coasters, you're gonna love the next 7 days because it's cold, hot, rain, cold, hot again, and then rain again.
Temperatures are definitely dropping like a rock.
They are gonna drop like a rock tonight. The rain will be stopping soon. Not tonight though.
Oh man.
But by tomorrow morning, it will be stopping.
All right.
All right. Temperatures and radar outside, you can see it's cold, and we're still watching more showers moving from southwest off towards the northeast. But the heaviest of rain showers is off towards our northwest from Mount Cuero to San Antonio, down towards Floresville, and down towards Carson City. But if I zoom out, you can see there's a lot more showers and thunderstorms, but I think after all of this moves out, our rain chances as a result will be going down as well.